What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If your car doesn't have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto built in, don't worry. In 2026, you don't need to replace your entire stereo system. Portable CarPlay screens are affordable, easy to install, and packed with features like 4K dash cams, backup cameras, Bluetooth, GPS, and voice control. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 best CarPlay screens in 2026 that work with almost all vehicles, plug and play, no professional installation needed. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Portable 10-inch Apple CarPlay screen with 4K dash cam. This model is perfect for drivers who want a balanced mix of display size and camera quality. The 10-inch screen is bright and responsive, and wireless CarPlay connects quickly without messy cables. The 4K dashcam quality is surprisingly sharp for this price range. This 10-inch wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto touchscreen comes with 4K front dashcam, 1080p backup camera, mirror link, voice control, GPS navigation, music streaming support. It's designed to work with nearly all vehicles. Pros: crisp 4K dashcam, easy plug-and-play setup, smooth wireless connectivity, clear 1080p rear camera. Cons: screen size may feel small for large dashboards. Built-in speakers are average. Great value option for everyday drivers who want modern smart features without overspending. Number 2. 10.26-inch wireless CarPlay screen with Bluetooth double DIN support. This one stands out because of its better connectivity options, including FM transmission and aux output, which makes it compatible with older vehicles. The touch response is smooth and Bluetooth pairing is stable for calls and music. 10.26-inch display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 4K dashcam, backup camera, aux and FM support, Bluetooth connectivity. Pros: strong connectivity options, easy installation, good screen brightness, reliable Bluetooth performance. Cons: dashcam performance slightly weaker at night. Plastic build quality. Best for older cars that need flexible audio output options. Number 3. 10.26-inch CarPlay screen with 3-channel 4K camera and 32GB storage. This is more than just a CarPlay screen. It's a full security upgrade for your vehicle. The 3-channel camera setup provides front, rear, and interior coverage. Bluetooth 5.2 ensures faster and more stable connection. 10.26-inch wireless display, 3-channel camera system, 4K front recording, 32GB built-in storage, Bluetooth 5.2, FM radio. Pros: 3-channel camera system, built-in storage included, strong Bluetooth 5.2, good video clarity. Cons: setup takes slightly longer, slightly higher price. Best choice for rideshare drivers or anyone wanting full car monitoring. Number 4. Largest 11.5-inch wireless CarPlay screen. If you want a tablet-style experience in your car, this is it. The 11.5-inch screen is the largest on this list, making navigation maps and media much easier to see. Perfect for SUVs, trucks, and larger dashboards. Massive 11.5-inch HD touchscreen, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, 4K dashcam, 1080p backup camera, Bluetooth, FM, and mirror link. Pros: biggest display on the list, great for navigation, modern slim design, strong camera quality. Cons: may block air vents in smaller cars. Best for drivers who want the biggest and most premium-looking screen. Number 5. HK3 10.26-inch wireless CarPlay screen, plug and play. The HK3 focuses on simplicity. Installation is very beginner-friendly, and wireless pairing is fast. This is ideal for someone who wants a quick upgrade without complicated wiring. 10.26-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 4K dashcam, 1080p backup camera, GPS navigation. Plug-and-play installation. Pros: very easy setup, reliable wireless connection, clean interface, good value pricing. Best simple plug-and-play option for beginners. Alright guys, that wraps up our top 5 best CarPlay screens of 2026. If you're looking to upgrade your car with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in dash cams, and a modern touchscreen experience, any of these options will be a solid choice depending on your needs and budget. All the product links are in the description below so you can check the latest prices and deals. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.